Surah Al-Baqarah, verses 259 and 260, mention two events through which Allah showed His power to bring the dead back to life. In verse 259, Allah mentions a town that had been completely destroyed. Its buildings had fallen down, and there was no sign of life left. A servant of Allah passed by this ruined town. Seeing its condition, he wondered, how will Allah bring this town back to life after its destruction? Allah caused him to die for 100 years. Then he brought him back to life and asked, "How long did you remain?" He replied, "A day or part of a day." Allah said, "No, you remained for 100 years. Then he said, "Look at your food and drink, and look at your donkey." He saw that his food, which should have become spoiled after so many years, was still just as fresh as when he had left home. But his donkey had died, and even its bones had decayed. Then he saw the bones of the donkey coming together by Allah's command. Flesh was placed over them, and the donkey was brought back to life. When this reality became completely clear to him, he said, "Now I know that Allah has power over everything." Allah then said that He would make him a sign for the people. When he returned to his town, everything had changed. Many generations had passed. When he asked the people about himself, they told him that a man with that name had once lived there, but he had disappeared a very long time ago. Through this event, Allah allowed His servant to witness His power with his own eyes. The one who can bring a person back to life, after 100 years, can certainly bring all the dead back to life on the day of resurrection. One important point: the Qur'an does not mention the name of this person, or the name of the town. Therefore, we do not need to focus too much on details that Allah Himself has not mentioned. The real lesson is to believe in Allah's unlimited power and in life after death. And dear friends, the message of this verse is not only about life after death. Sometimes we may think, how will this rise again? We should remember, Allah has power over everything. If someone is suffering from illness, Allah is able to give them healing. If someone is worried because they long for children, Allah is able to bless them with children. If someone's faith has become weak, Allah is able to bring their heart back to life with the light of faith. If someone is worried and distressed, Allah is able to give peace and comfort to their heart. So, do not lose hope. The one who can bring the dead back to life is certainly able to change our lives and our circumstances as well.